Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to make your YouTube videos in autoplay mode. So you don't need to worry to play the next video. It will be autoplayed and you can easily watch each and every video or even music. So in order to activate your autoplay mode on YouTube, first you need to click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and here you need to click on the setting option, and here you need to go on the third option, autoplay mode. Here you need to click the autoplay mode, and now your autoplay mode for your YouTube video will be activated. Once your video will be finished, new video will be open automatically. You don't need to click on the play button. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to autoplay your YouTube videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.